3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, Max and Brianna here. Time to do a slime unboxing of squishslimes.com
And Lucky One's earrings.
Yeah, so those are pretty cool.
These are so cute. Look at those. Emerald Shimmer Lucky Ones.
I got Jigglypuff and Brianna got Pineapple Punch.
I already put the charms inside.
Alright,
the slime.
can I just put it on the table?
Yeah.
Whoa!
And she gave me some extras.
Oh my god, it feels
So she gave me the black and white and the pink one. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, it's so slimy. Wait, it's sticking to my hand so much.
It smells really nice, actually.
It does smell nice. Did you guys add perfume or something to it?
I love the earrings.
Oh.
Let's try slime. You're supposed to add the activator.
What's the activator?
You're supposed to add it. It's that.
Oh, whoops. Wait, look at that. Wow.
So I already added them in.
This is some good quality slime.
You have to go like this. And then you go like this. Wait. Oh, it's very stretchy. Let's hear the crackles.
Do you hear
There's
that?
a lot of crackles. Okay, you're supposed to add that now.
Okay. What if we mix
You're
them
not doing
together?
it right.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay. Smell test.
I just want to take a bite of it. Okay, I'm adding the
Smell like pineapples.
the glitter. Umana. Wait, give me my glitter. Oh, what is this? Wow, look, it's like glittery now.
So now I'm just gonna add this so that.
I think my sweat is making it stick to me.
Yeah.
Ooh. That is pretty good slime, not gonna lie.
Okay.
What do you rate it?
This is like a 11 out of 10, I think.
Yeah, this is like 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10 slime right here.
And what about the earrings?
The earrings are really pretty.
Mimi made them.
Yeah, Mimi's really good at arts and crafts. Oh, she made us rings. I don't know if it's these, yeah. So she made you the pink one, let's show.
Cool, it fits.
So thanks for this one, Mimi. I can fit it on my pinky only though. But I really like it.
Thanks, Mimi. What's that?
It came off my box, I think.
I like that.
Yeah. But yeah, anyways, thanks Elizabeth for the slime.
Thanks, Elizabeth. And now we're gonna make a slime smoothie and mix them all up. Ah! No, I'm just kidding. Oh no, end it.